This last video is going to help you determine how many solutions a quadratic has. Now, what some people do is they move each equation into standard form and actually do quadratic formula to figure out how many equations it has. And our possibilities are 0 or 1 or 2 solutions. But the fastest way to do these types of problems and what way seems to make the most sense to people is to just use your graphing calculator. So if I take x squared plus 5x plus 6, I'll type x squared plus 5x into y1, and I'll type 6 into y2, and I'll graph it. And what I'm looking for is their intersection. Do these two things intersect? I have a parabola and a horizontal line, so I'll go ahead and sketch that. Okay, actually I'll cheat and just take the picture from my calculator. And I should see this has 2 solutions. Done. Okay, now if you moved your 6 over and set it equal to 0 and went through the whole quadratic equation, you would end up with 2 solutions. But this is just so much faster. Okay, we'll try another one. Okay, instead of moving over my 8 and doing quadratic formula, I'm just going to graph this. So I'll type everything to the left into y1, and my negative 8 into y2, and I'm looking for where these two things intersect. There's my parabola, there's my horizontal line, and what you should notice is that these two things do not intersect. There's empty space in between them, so this is a no solution, or 0 solutions. Okay. Our last one is already in standard form, so again, if you wanted to, you could do quadratic formula with this. I just find it a lot faster to use my calculator and look at it visually. And this time when you graph this, you should notice there isn't any extra horizontal line. That's because the line that we're looking at is actually 0. So I'm looking for where my parabola hits this line, and it hits once. So this is one solution. These are really easy problems if you have a graphing calculator and should be very quick to do.